This tutorial, I'm going to show you how to record your iPhone screen. So what you want to do is make sure you're running the most up-to-date version of the iOS or the operating system. Then I want you to swipe down from the upper right-hand corner of your device. This will bring up the control center or the command center, whatever you want to call it. And you may see a button that has a circle and it looks like a record button with a dot in the middle. If you don't see that, I want you to tap on the addition symbol in the upper left-hand corner, very small, and then I want you to go down to the bottom and go to Add Control. Right here under Search Control, I want you to type in the word record like this, and you should see something that says Screen Recording. Tap on that. And now you should see the record button, which looks like a circle with a dot in the middle. Go ahead and tap anywhere to get out of the customize options. Then, as you can see, if I tap the record button here, it'll count us down at the very top of our device. Then it will begin recording our screen. Just know that when we tap out, make sure that the red button is in the upper portion of your screen, letting you know that you are recording your screen. When you're ready to stop, you can tap that at the top there and you can see it is screen recording and it lets you know the amount of time that you've been recording. When you're ready to stop screen recording, you just tap the stop button right there next to screen recording and it'll save that to your photos. You can either tap on that to go directly to the screencast, which is what we've done here, or you can go and navigate to your photos just by searching for the Photos app, and as you can see, it'll show up here as a saved video under your photo library. If you have any questions about recording your screen, put them in the comment section below. I'll have some frequently asked questions in a pinned comment down below. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.